Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import media into CapCut PC. It is pretty simple. Select the import button and you're just going to choose a video or a photo that you want to import. For instance, I want to import this. I'm just going to select it and I'm just going to place it in here. And if I want to use it, I'll just place it in the timeline like so. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. You can also import audio, PNGs, and obviously videos, but there are certain files that you cannot unfortunately upload on here. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!